Alright, welcome to a special Black Friday video sponsored by Rhinoshield. If you want to find out how you can get 25% off during this Black Friday period for Rhinoshield product, well, you gotta stay tuned till the end of the video. So previously I've reviewed a couple of awesome cases by Rhinoshield that was sent to me by them, specifically for the iPhone 14 Pro. So the main highlight for today's video is MagSafe compatibility. That's right. So Rhinoshield have sent me a couple of cool looking cases and also grips. Apparently, according to Rhinoshield, their MagSafe compatible products are actually way strong compared to Apple's MagSafe magnets. Not only that, I also mentioned that Rhinoshield offers a lot of cool design. They made collaborations with multiple companies like Marvel, Star Wars, even YouTubers like PewDiePie. So this MagSafe compatibility is available throughout their lineup, like for their clear cases. I've showed it to you before, the Mod NX, the SolidSuits, and to complement with the MagSafe cases, they've also made some grips that are also MagSafe compatible, which are pretty cool. Very cool designs. I will show it to you later on. So there's that. They've sent me a SolidSuit, a MagSafe compatible SolidSuit, a black one. I've tried this one. Currently I'm using the non-MagSafe version. I've taken it out because now they've offered the MagSafe version. So yes, they have MagSafe. Okay, I really would love to test it out with the Apple official MagSafe puck, but sadly they've not sent it yet to me. So I have a third-party one which is pretty similar. So just boom. Ooh, according to Rhinoshield, they have a superior magnetic full force compared to Apple's version. They have 2 times stronger than the official Apple MagSafe cases, so that's something to note. So in order to show you how strong the MagSafe is, I will show you through the grip cases. That's right. So I'm a huge fan of PewDiePie, and they have a lot of PewDiePie designs for your cases and also the grips. So this is the one that I pick. Very nice. I love it. Very cool. So I gotta open this up first. So it's very small, very handy, pretty flat, and it sticks to your phone as such. Look at that. Ooh, it's very strong. Hold on, okay, so you open it up like this. I mean, I'm kind of scared, but it's very strong. So yeah, they were right about, oh my god. Very strong. You can actually also use it as a stand, which is pretty cool. Like that, it can go portrait. I mean, it's a little bit unstable, but doable. So obviously, if your selfie game is huge, this would be perfect for you to take any selfies. And if you're the type of person who uses your phone while you're lying down on a sofa or a bed, don't need to worry about it falling on your face anymore. Rhinoshield also offers another option for non-MagSafe phones. So they call it the GRIPmini, which I will be showing you right now. I bet you'll be wondering, okay, if it's gonna attach via adhesives, won't that mean that you can't really remove it? Or if you remove it, you're kind of destroying it? Well, not really, because the GRIPmini is highly reusable. Little size comparison. So this one's like way huger, and this one's like this, tinier. And I got the Tony Stark one by Marvel. They've got a lot of cool Marvel and Star Wars designs, so that's pretty cool concept. Okay, so as you can see, this one has a little bit of adhesives on the back. It's very smooth, very nice. So you just remove it, and then I guess you just stick it onto surface. Voila, it's a lot more smaller, less invasive, I guess. Still, it fits 2 fingers, easy. And the adhesive, obviously, it's very strong. No need to worry about that. If you want to remove it, you have to apply a little bit of water, and then you can remove it easy peasy. So as I've said, they have many other cool designs. So the ones that I've want to try out is, they've also got, other than Star Wars and Marvel, they've also got Harry Potter. That's right, there you go. Beautiful. I mean, that's a nice look, not gonna lie. Obviously it's gonna fit perfectly on your hand. very nice. Also, they've got other stuff compared, like I got the Marvel ones. So the two Marvel ones that I've selected is Spider-Man, obviously. They got this cool black logo Spider-Man one, very nice, and they've got one of him swinging upside down. Love it. So now I'm going to show you a couple of cases with other designs that are also MagSafe compatible. So I'm going to remove this one for now. Okay, let's see this one. Wow. Okay, that's cool. Oh, we have another winner. Okay, wait, I'm gonna put this on and then show you. This is how it looks like. I mean, and by the way, this thing has a texture, a web-like texture. I'm not sure if you can see this. Oh, the camera's not picking it up that well, but I mean, the quality of the prints are just insane. This one is the chibi black and white pattern, which, I mean, it looks nice. Look at that, it's very subtle. It's got Yoda, Darth Vader, it's got Boba Fett, yeah, Chewbacca, Ewoks, R4, C-3PO. I mean, this is a very subtle one, very nice. It looks different, nicely textured as well. Black Panther one. Ooh, this would go perfectly with the Black Panther Wakanda Forever movie that just came out, so you can rock it while you watch the movie. So this one's a nice one. Black and white, very nice colors, as you can see over here. Like, the patterns are really good. Okay. Oh, I remember picking this one. It's got the classic A New Hope poster printed on the back, which is just, I mean, this one's got a little bit more retro feel to it, which I really dig. Like, oh my god. So these are the 4 cases that they've sent. Darth Vader, and then the Star Wars pattern, Spider-Man, Black Panther. I mean, like, just perfect. Oh my god. So if you want to purchase all of these amazing products by Rhinoshield, the link will be in the description. Use that link. It's right in the description. Just hit the show more button and the link is right there. And throughout this Black Friday period from November 17 up to the 29th, there will be Rhinoshield is having a Black Friday sale, which is pretty freaking cool, and they are offering 25% off, lifetime warranty, by the way. So if you want to get 25% off your purchase, all you gotta do is hit BF22 right here, just that, and the checkout, and you got yourself 25% off, which is pretty freaking amazing. That'll be all for my Rhinoshield case for the iPhone 14 Pro. By the way, these are not also limited to the iPhone 14 Pro. It can also be compatible with the other phones that they provide cases for. So all you gotta do is head on to the link, click on whatever case, whichever phone you're using, and boom, you get to pick whatever collaborative designs that they offer, which is pretty cool. The most important thing of all, do subscribe. It really helps me out a lot. It tells me that you guys are enjoying these videos. And yeah, that'll be all for today. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.